Hello guys, the popular Chinese brand Ulefone has introduced a new rugged smartphone for the Armor series, the Armor 70 Pro. It has a really impressive features. What it looks like, let's see now in the detailed presentation by Ulefone.
Armor 17 Pro is different from all other ROG phones, excelling at 10.5mm and 290 grams, even thinner than iPhone 14 Pro Max with case. With its brand new design on the back, it looks more fashionable and has better resistance for scratches, drops, and fingerprints. The volume rocker and the power key are on its right side. The power key is incorporated with fingerprint sensor for screen unlock. On the left side, the SIM card slot enable you to insert 2 nano SIM cards and 1 micro SD card at the same time. The custom key makes it a shortcut to access PTT intercom by single click, double click, or long press. At its bottom, there are headphone jack and Type-C port. Even though Armor 17 Pro is very thin, he has gorgeous resistance for water and drops. IP68, IP69K grade waterproof, dustproof, and waterproof up to 1.5 meters deep and drop resistance of 1.5 meters high. Besides, this device uses Corning Gorilla Glass 5 for the first time. The ability to survive drops and wear are improved by 100%. Armor 17 Pro comes with 6.58-inch FHD Plus display, 1080x 2408 resolution, 401 ppi, 120 Hz ultra-high refresh rate. It is a top-level screen with excellent color tones and clarity. Notably, its touch sampling rate reaches 240 Hz. If you are a gamer, you are sure to have great touch experience. As the world's first 108-megapixel ROG phone, Armor 17 Pro's main camera uses Samsung M2 1.52 massive sensor, which brings in notably more light and details. You will be shocked by the clarity and texture from a picture of more than 100 megapixels. Besides from its main camera, the 8-megapixel night vision camera with the second generation's algorithm and 2 IR LEDs enable you to shoot clearly in low light. And the 16 megapixels front camera show you clearly in every selfie, video calls, and conference. Updated MediaTek Helio G99 chipset adopts 6-nm process, whose performance and energy efficiency are improved greatly. By the way, the G99 chipset is currently the most high-end and the latest processor in the G series, and now it is inside the Armor 17 Pro. 8 GB of RAM and up to 5 GB of virtual memory contributes to amazing 13 GB of RAM. Combined with 256 GB of internal storage, there's no anxiety but ample spaces for files, photos, apps, etc. And 2 TB expandable by extra micro SD card if needed. With 66-watt super-fast charge, you can see the battery to soar. Only in 10 minutes, Armor 17 Pro gets 38% battery. For your safety, the charger, data cable, and the handset have built-in power management chips to prevent overheating and overcharging. The Armor 17 Pro also supports wireless charging with maximum power 15 volts. At the same time, there is a function specially made for you, wireless reverse charging. You can charge your headphones and other devices that support wireless charging through Armor 17 Pro. Believe me, in some emergency cases, it works great. Magnetic attachable. That's it. Armor 17 Pro can be easily attached with accessories like phone stand wallet, magnetic Bluetooth speaker, magnetic wireless charger, magnetic wireless power bank. It has very strong thermal suction and easy to attach. Furthermore, it is also compatible for MagSafe accessories. MFC viable, Armor 17 Pro with Google Pay make payment more handy. Just scan without carrying cash and cards around. Feature with headset-free FM radio, enjoy the radio without headphones. Driven by Android 12, there are no apps pre-installed apps, pure and safe. In addition, we have professionally made accessories for Armor 17 Pro. If you often work or live outdoor, the multifunctional armor case is quite fit for Armor 17 Pro to be hung on your backpack or waist to free your hands. And it's easy to take down the phone and attachment. If you like to play music or watch movies on the go, we recommend our Humanic Soundor Bluetooth speaker. High quality sound is sure, and it can also serve as a phone stand. More importantly, two speakers can be paired for stereo sound. Anyway, our buds should not be mixed too. It is our latest TWS earbuds, which is as light as nothing in the ears. Besides from that, the third-party MagSafe products usually work with the Armor 17 Pro too. Well, this is the wholly new Armor 17 Pro, which sports new Gen chipset, 120Hz screen, 108 megapixels camera, 66-volt super fast charge. We hope you like it.
I hope you like this presentation of this really impressive smartphone. If you want a device like this for yourself, the official AliExpress pre-sale links is below this video. Don't forget to click on it and pre-order your new Armor 70 Pro today at promotional price, but hurry up because quantities are limited. That's all for now. See you soon with a new video. Bye.